Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by acting quickly. Plug an OBD2 scanner into the port and turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. You do this to capture live PIDs and any pending codes that trigger the check gauge's light. Once done, check battery voltage with a multimeter. Low voltage can mimic sensor failures, so confirm 12, 4 to 12, 7 volts at rest. Make sure to write down all codes and freeze-frame data. They guide the only reliable repair path forward. Now you move into focused diagnostics, backprobe sensor connectors, and verify they have proper power and ground. Inconsistent supply often triggers the check gauge's light. Then test critical senders, coolant temp, oil pressure, and any gauge-specific sending units, because failing senders give false readings. Also check alternator output under load. A weak alternator creates voltage fluctuations that confuse the cluster. Inspect fuses and wiring harnesses for corrosion or broken pins, since electrical faults are the most common hidden cause. You complete the repair by replacing the defective sensor or repairing the wiring and ensuring tight grounds. This reverses the incorrect inputs that triggered the light. Once parts are installed, clear codes, then cycle the ignition and perform a 10 to 15 minute test drive while monitoring live gauge data. Make sure readings are stable. If the check gauge's light returns, rescan immediately. If the issue is intermittent, use a voltage logger to catch transient drops. This troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.